Welcome to Creative Momentum's Make It Mean It, guided meditation for drafting exquisite art of any genre in 10 minutes. In this meditation, we're going to channel the Nine of Fire, also called the Nine of Wands. Let's start by sitting or standing quietly for a moment. Close your eyes if you like, or soften your gaze. And just breathe. Feel into the foundations of your life, whatever that means to you. It might be lineage, family, community, or proud accomplishments and earned experience. Breathe into those foundations. You're welcome to keep your eyes closed for the rest of this meditation. Or if you choose to write, sketch, or improvise, go ahead and open your eyes. And we'll begin the make it part of our meditation where we let our associative mind play around. You can respond to the prompts as yourself or as a character, and you can take the prompts as literally or imaginatively as you like. What do you expect will be taken away if you don't defend it? How have you prepared to defend what you care about? What position is your body in as you prepare to push the threat away? What are the contours of your resistance? If you realized there was no longer a threat, that you could trust the preciousness of your life to be its own strong foundation, how would you begin to relax into your life? Find a stopping place for now. This completes the make it part of our meditation. And now we'll move into mean it. So, in this next stage of the creative process, we look back at what we just envisioned, explored, or created, and we identify the resonant elements that arose. So, look at what you've created or think back over it and circle or take note of all repeated words, images, ideas, as well as anything surprising. And you can pause the recording to do this and come back as soon as you've noted those repetitions and surprises. Now notice if any of the following themes or symbols from the Nine of Wands, the Nine of Fire, tarot card have shown up in what you envisioned or created. And see if these themes or symbols help you understand your exploration so that you can further articulate the questions you're asking or the story you're telling. This card is about defending, guarding, protecting, and being ready to fight a battle that we've already fought before. We've already handled the threat in the past and created a sturdy foundation for our life, but we expect to have to defend ourselves again. The head bandage shows that we have been through struggles in the past. In the present, the Fence of Wands represents our achievements and our responsibilities. Take in this meaning you've made. Settle into how this meaning or these questions feel in your body. See if any questions or intentions arise for continuing to explore this meaning in your life or in your art. And as you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for showing up to your creativity and to your inner voice. I wish you powerful creating.